Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're super excited to start a brand new crochet series where we'll be making the cutest handmade greeting cards, each one featuring its own unique and charming crochet design. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Alright, let's dive into today's project. Handmade crochet dog greeting card, a yarn charm. Let's go started. Today we will show how to crochet this dachshund greeting card. The materials needed. Here we go. I am using a 3.0mm crochet hook. First, take out the brown yarn. Wrap the yarn around your pinky finger and pull through the index finger. Take out the crochet hook. Yarn over. Chain 1. Chain 1 is not included in total stitch count. For the first row, crochet 13 chain stitches. First chain stitch. "13 chain stitches completed. Skip back to the second stitch and make 11 single crochets. Insert the stitch marker. Complete 11 single crochets, then make 3 single crochets in the next stitch. Insert the stitch marker. Move to the other side. Make 10 single crochets. After that, make 1 single crochet increase in the next stitch. Single crochet increase means crocheting 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Slip stitch to join with the first stitch, then chain 1. Next, round 2. First, remove the stitch marker. Make 1 single crochet increase. Insert the stitch marker. Insert hook into same stitch and make 1 single crochet. Then, make 11 single crochets. After that, chain 4 stitches. Skip back to the second stitch and do 3 slip stitches. Remove the stitch marker. Return to main piece and do 4 slip stitches. Continue crocheting the rest 3 slip stitches. After that, chain 3 stitches. Skip back to the second stitch and do 2 slip stitches. After that, make 9 single crochets. Complete 9 single crochets. Chain 3 stitches. Skip back to the second stitch and do 2 slip stitches. Make 2 single crochet increases. Chain 5 stitches. Skip back to the second stitch and do 4 slip stitches. Remove the stitch marker. For round 3, we need to do 12 slip stitches. Continue crocheting the remaining 11 slip stitches. After that, chain 1. Make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then make 3 single crochets in the slip stitch area, total 4 single crochets. Move to our slip stitches. Make 3 single crochets. Complete 4 single crochets. Chain 1. Flip the fabric. Skip 1 stitch. Make 3 single crochets. Chain 1. Flip the fabric. Skip 1 stitch. Make 2 single crochets. Leave long tail. Cut the yarn. The main body is now completed. Take out the dark brown yarn to crochet the ears. Wrap the yarn around your pinky finger and pull through the index finger. Take out the crochet hook. Yarn over. Chain 1. Chain 1 is not included in total stitch count. Make 5 chain stitches. Skip back to the second stitch and crochet 2 slip stitches. Make 1 single crochet. Then make 3 single crochets in the next same stitch. Move to the other side. Make 1 single crochet. Then do 2 slip stitches. Leave long tail. Cut the yarn. 1 ear section is now ready. Wrap the yarn around your pinky finger and pull through the index finger. Take out the crochet hook. Yarn over. Chain 1. For the scarf, just make 8 chain stitches. Leave long tail. Cut the yarn. Now let's crochet the hat. Take out the blue yarn. Make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your pinky finger and pull through the index finger. Insert hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull out. Do a slip knot and chain 1. Do 6 single crochet into the magic ring. Insert hook into loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Insert the stitch marker in the first stitch. Continue crocheting remaining 5 single crochets. After finishing the round 1, pull the short yarn tightly. Insert hook into loop. Remove stitch marker. Slip stitch to join with first stitch. Chain 1. For round 2, we need to do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 3 times. Insert the stitch marker in the first stitch. Then make 1 increase. Weave in the ends as you go. Insert hook into same stitch. Make 1 single crochet. Continue and repeat 2 times. After that, remove stitch marker. Slip stitch to join with first stitch. Chain 1. For round 3, we need to make 9 single crochets. Insert the stitch marker in the first stitch. After completing round 3, leave long tail. Take out the white yarn. Insert hook into the loop from the side. Yarn over with white yarn and pull out. Remove stitch marker. Slip stitch to join with first stitch. Chain 1. For round 4, we need to do 9 single crochets. Insert the stitch marker in the first stitch. Pull the blue yarn tightly. Continue to do the rest 8 single crochet. Remove the stitch marker. Slip stitch to join with first stitch. Chain 1. Leave long tail. Cut the yarn. Cut the excess yarn. Take out the needle. Weave in ends. Cut the yarn. For the ears, just tie a knot at the back. Tie the scarf around the dog's neck. Tie a knot at the back. Cut the yarn. Apply glue inside the hat. Put on the hat. Take the prepared greeting card. Apply glue. And stick the dog on the card. Then stick the ears. Finally, stick the eyes and nose. Such an adorable dachshund greeting card is ready.